Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create table using HTML. In case you have missed any of my video, I have given a link in the description. Now let's jump into the video. To create a table, we will need a table tag. In the table, the first row is known as table heading. So, to create a table, we will need to create some rows, table heading, and table data. To create rows, we have to use dr tag, which stands for table row. Then, in the first row, we have to use th tag, which stands for table heading, to make the first row's heading. Now, in the first row, I want to add 3 headings, so I am using 3 th tag. Then, inside the th tag write the name of headings, like this. Now, our first row is done. Then, we have to create more rows, to enter our data, so, let's use another tr tag, and inside tr tag, use td tag, which stands for table data. Now, because I have added 3 headings, so I am using 3 dd tag to separate them, as columns. Now, inside the dd tag, enter your data. Now, let's make 2 more rows. For that, I have used the same process. Now, we have to do one last step, to complete our table. Move to the opening table tag, and use a space, and type table border equal, double quotation, and inside the quotation, write the table border size. For me, I am using 4, and run the code. See, we have got our table. Let's see it in the new tab. It's still working. The length of the table will automatically adjust according to data. That's it. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe. Bye.